My name's Barabbas, and I was the worst man in Jerusalem. A murderer, a rebel, a thief. I had spent my life taking what wasn't mine, including lives. Locked away in the darkness of a Roman cell, I knew my end was near. The rough stone walls were my final home, the stench of despair my last breath. I knew what was coming for me: crucifixion, a slow, agonizing death reserved for the worst of the worst. And I had earned it. That morning, the air felt different, heavy. The guards' footsteps echoed louder than usual. They didn't just come for me. There was another prisoner, a man named Jesus. I'd heard the whispers about him. A teacher, a miracle worker. What could he have possibly done to end up here, beside me? They dragged us both out into the blinding morning light, into a courtyard packed with a screaming mob. Above the chaos, the Roman governor Pilate stood on a balcony. His voice cut through the noise. "Who do you want me to release to you? Barabbas or Jesus, who is called Christ?" I held my breath, my heart pounding against my ribs. This was it. A cruel joke before my execution. The crowd would surely scream for the holy man, the healer. They would demand my blood. But then, a sound I will never forget. A roar, a single deafening word that shook the very ground I stood on. "Barabbas!" I couldn't believe my ears. Again, Pilate asked, trying to reason with them. "What shall I do, then, with Jesus?" And their reply was even more chilling. "Crucify him." The sound echoed in my skull. The guards, just as stunned as I was, fumbled with the keys. The heavy iron chains fell from my wrists, clattering onto the stone. I was free. I stumbled out of the courtyard, a ghost walking in the daylight. The cross that had my name on it, the cross that I deserved, was now his. I walked away alive. The guilty man walked free, while the innocent man took his place. In that moment, I began to understand. We are all a little like Barabbas, aren't we? We've all made mistakes, all fallen short. We are all guilty. But grace, true, undeserved grace, found me that day. It found the worst man in Jerusalem. The cross meant for us was carried by Jesus. He took our place. He took my place. And that changes everything. Thanks for watching.